pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right hand ace. Charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place. Oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay. We traded in time, real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done every Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pull back, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay. We traded in time, real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent. This is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. What? Yeah, we number one. Yeah. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade. Where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right hand ace. Charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place. Oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay. We traded in time, real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done every Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pull back, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay. We traded in time, real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent. This is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. Yeah, we number one. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade. Where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right hand ace. Charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place. Oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay. We traded in time, real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done every Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pull back, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay. We traded in time, real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent. This is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. Yeah, we number one. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade, where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right-hand ace, charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place, oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay, we traded in time, real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done every Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pull back, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, this is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. What? Yeah, we number one. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade, where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right-hand ace, charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place, oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done every Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pull back, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, this is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. Yeah, we number one. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade, where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right-hand ace, charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place, oinking for the wins, keeping smiles on the face. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, showing what's done every Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Yeah, the show's live, son. Candles flash green, emotions on hold, wrist tight, entries clean, exit pure gold. We don't fake numbers or edit the frame. This is raw, live, educate the trade name. From London to the world, they watch the game flow. Enzo pull back, Russell calling that go. Pedro the pig, with the luck in tow. We trade, we teach, we let the truth show. No delay, no replay, we traded in time. Real charts, real hearts, real grind, real shine. Authentic, transparent, this is how it's done. Educate the trade, yeah, we number one. Yeah, we number one. Yeah. Yeah, welcome to the flow, educate the trade. Where the money moves live, never pre-made. Enzo, the pullback king, sharp like a blade. He spots them setups clean, watch the profits get paid. Russell Roussel, the right-hand ace. Charts on fire, man, he sets the pace. Pedro the pig, mascot in the place. Oinking for the win.
5-minute.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, 1 second, guys. We definitely seem to have
A technical problem.
So why isn't there is no? Okay, there we go. Right. Okay.
Feeling states that the outlook for economic activity and inflation is uncertain, and we are still vigilant regarding developments.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's edition of live trading with me, Russell, and Enzo in his pink shirt and a blue pig.
Who's the pig? Me or the pig?
The pig, his name is Pedro. Pedro the pig. Pedro the pig. So yeah, welcomings to all of yous peoples that are tuning in. Even though we literally haven't got anyone on the live yet. But Enzo, how are you today?
Doing very well, thank you. How are you, Russell?
I'm great. And would you like to say hello to Pedro?
Hi, Pedro.
Did you kiss the pig?
Yeah.
Oh, you've made him excited. He's got a little pig on going on.
In trading, it's important to kiss the pig.
It's important to kiss the pig. Right, well, you've heard it from the man himself. If you are a trader, you must go immediately to a farm and kiss a pig.
It's a way of saying to embrace the losing side of trading.
Embrace.
It's actually technically
embrace, not the greed.
Usually the actual operative word is to kiss the toad.
Kiss the toad. Okay.
Yeah, maybe we should get a toad as well, eh?
I feel like if we got any more animals, they would probably take over the stream. I don't think we could be outnumbered with plastic animals.
Okay.
You know, I think 3 is a good number. You know, do you not think so?
You say 3 is the magic number.
3 is the magic number, indeed. Yes. So, guys, if you feel like we should get any more plastic animals, let us know. It seems that the TikTok stream has frozen. Do any of you guys want to check out the TikTok stream for me and see if it's frozen?
US Trade Representative Greer says justices had fair and tough questions.
No idea why it's frozen.
That's Greer speaking on Fox Business.
What on earth is going on? Wow. This is not really going well today at all. Ah, we're back. Sorry if it just froze there on TikTok. If you are watching, could you please let me know if it did freeze, because that is another problem that I will have to look into. Yeah, so guys, hope you're having a good day. Enzo at the moment is studying the charts to find some positions for you. Let's see what he's actually doing, and hopefully this will actually work, because oh look, there it does. Wow, it actually works. I mean, we're getting somewhere today. I've been spending all morning trying to build something into this stream in the way of being able to bring guests in. I'm a little bit further on with that, but if anyone does stream, you'll know that to do things for free is quite difficult. So, but we'll get there.
I need your help today, Russell, because there's just so much on the menu today, and I don't know what to choose.
Okay. Well. Okay. Wow. So there's a lot of
Someone
opportunities.
told me it was dead. Everyone must be asleep. Isn't it, Dean? Woo!
So yeah. So apparently there's a lot of
Potentialities, we say.
potential. I'm just trying to sort this microphone out. And oh, interesting. Your
Feeding says the inflation view still.
your iPad is also ducking out, just like CNews did yesterday. So
That's not me, is it? That's
well, it seems like it was CNews yesterday and you today. So it maybe it's not a you or CNews problem. Maybe it's the adapter or something. So that's another thing to to look into. It's all going wrong today. So let's hope the trades don't go wrong, right?
they can't.
Can't.
Every trade is right. Every trade is good.
Every
We don't lose.
okay, right, yeah, I see
Come
where
on,
you go
Russell.
with this.
We're still working on this, aren't we?
Hello, Aaron. It was Aaron, not Justin. How are you today, Aaron?
You'll bring some education.
I hope you're having a great day. Have you been trading today? How is your education coming along? And when are you going to come and visit us at the office? We are still waiting for you to come down. So Aaron has not visited us yet. We have not had the visiting. The guys behind me are quite busy today. It seems like there's a lot of movements happening today. We'll tune in with them. Actually, let's tune in with them now, guys. How's it been going today?
Bailey says that each time we meet,
Yeah?
reconsider
You made some profits today?
restrictive monetary
Yeah?
policy is
How much you up today?
safe, no fixed view of neutral rate.
So 2% today, and that's on analyst ratings, is it?
No, one was earnings and then one was the
One was earnings,
and one was the interest rate.
and one was the interest rate, the UK interest rate thing.
Votes.
Huh?
The votes.
Yeah. Sorry, what happened with that again? I wasn't listening.
Bailey says I think policy is still restrictive. The bank thing was Bailey saying I think policy is still restrictive.
Okay, so the UK interest rate votes. There was one more vote for a cut, and then what happened? What happened to the markets? Were you trading a FTSE on that one? Were you? Oh, the pound yen, and it dropped. Okay, cool. Well, there you go. So there you go. The scholarship students are 1% up, and also I have been given the authority now to tell you guys that we are definitely opening our desks up to more of you lot. So all you need to do is bring yourself, get in contact with us, and I have it on authority that it is completely free of charge. All you would have to do is give your time and be consistent with that, and you can have a desk here. We have put adverts out over social media and over LinkedIn, so there is probably would be quite a large list, but you know, you got to be in it to win it, right? So to put it into context, these guys have been with us now for coming up to 4 months, and apart from last week, they are all starting to turn a profit. So some of them are up 10% some weeks, but averagely I would say probably about 3 to 4% a week. So and they are all starting now to filter over to live accounts, so they are actually starting to make money, and the profit split is 50-50. So any money they make, they will get 50% of that profit. And Enzo, your chart keeps can I just do a reach around? Maybe it's that HDMI. I don't think it was pressed in properly. Hopefully it's just that, and it just seems like everything nowadays is flickering in this office. The projector earlier on was flickering as well, so maybe we're just having a bit of a flickery week, right? Yeah, guys, so if you would like to come down and trade with us and learn how to trade fundamental trading, and you do have the time and the inclination, please just reach out to us. You know, come onto our DMs. Yeah, Aaron, yeah. Well, you've actually got my personal number, Aaron, so when the interviews are coming up, then you can let us know. But we would be expecting you to be here, you know, most of the days of the week. So I'm not sure how that plays with your workload, but you know, I'm sure we can sort something out if we had some sort of regular schedule. Was I correct? No, that wasn't you. That was somebody else to do with calipers. I can't remember. So what is it that you're offering as such? A job or question mark? Okay, so what we're offering, we are offering you guys an opportunity to learn how to trade fundamentals. To start off with, for a few months, you'll be obviously doing it for no money. Also, we will not be charging you. And once you have proved yourself, then you'll be allocated funds. And when you make trades and you make profit, you will be getting 50% off that profit. So that is how it is at the moment. And you know, as you get better and as you become more consistent, we will obviously scale you up. No, it's not a funded account. It will be real capital. It will be real company capital. So yeah, which is what the guys at the moment are trading. They think they've started off with a 5k account. Is it 5k, Finley? Is it 5k just now you're on account? Yeah, so we started off anytime, Justin. Sorry, Aaron. Yeah, anytime, and I can get you booked in. I can talk to these guys about when they're going to start the interviewing process. We actually have to have a bit of a restructure. So I'm actually being given the I've been given the boot. I'm being downgraded to another section because of this. So your view of these streams will be downgraded from next week, and we'll be by the front door. So we will also, our job will also be to welcome people to the trading floor. So consider it like a stream / concierge position, right, Enzo?
Yeah.
Yep. And Enzo's going to be very talkative to the people that are coming in, as you can see. I always wind him up. He's busy entering positions, and we've actually already entered one position. So let me put that on the screen now. There it is. Look at that.
Thank you for noticing.
First, well, you know, you could have said there is a.
I didn't want to interrupt you.
There is a thing called you know, back and forth conversation.
I didn't want to interrupt.
It was invented many years ago. I think speech was invented for conversation, right? And we have our sponsor today, from My Protein, and Ryan's about to kick my. Yep. So here's a little word from our sponsor, My Protein. Ryan has the salt and pepper chicken. How do you feel about your meals, Ryan?
Yeah, I'm happy.
They nutritious?
Yeah, low in calories, high in protein.
Yep.
Yeah, so it keeps your muscle while you're losing weight.
Yep. Have you been losing weight and putting on muscle?
No.
Okay, well, that's not the greatest advert for My Protein. I think we've just lost our sponsorship. Thank you, Ryan. Yeah, come down. When can I start? Mark, please just send us a message. So send us a message on, obviously you can also join the Telegram group, but send us a message and I'll put you into the whole list of people that are going to be coming in for interviews. I think there's so many. I think what we might do is we might have like we might set up like a Hunger Games style competition in the car park, and you lot can you lot can fight for the desks, so to speak. We're probably not going to do that.
Fight for your right.
So Mark, whereabouts are you from? Because this is a office-based position, so you probably be better for you if you were located close to Bromley South. If you were going to have to travel, you know, like 2 hours to get here every morning, Hackney Central. Okay, so if you go to Google Maps now and see how long it is for you to get to Bromley South, we're like 10 minutes away from the train station. You know, let's see how long that journey is for you, and if you'd be prepared to do that most mornings. You know, and you know, in return you will get free education. You also get access to all of our other traders here on the floor. So you know, I'm sure, you know, a lot of them are sharing strategies and stuff. I mean, I know Finley behind me has had a very profitable strategy from one of the traders, and he is just
Why didn't you share it with me?
and he has just passed a what size account? Well, it doesn't matter. He's passed a 10k account with a prop firm, which we won't mention, and so now he is actually trading live funds, and I think at the moment he is $600 up. So so not only is he earning from this scheme, but he's actually also earning from his funded account. So yeah, Delabos, same thing. Drop a message into the DMs and we'll get back to you. But this offer is exclusively for people that are local and people that can commit, because you will be here probably for at least 2 or 3 months before you really start to see, you know, reap the rewards of what we're teaching you. I don't know, maybe it'd be quicker now because these guys have already tried and tested, so they can probably jump in and help you. Would you help them, Finley? There's your answer. Finley has disappeared from the building. Finley is not helping anyone. You can commit to the journey. Okay, well, Mark, this is great news. Please drop us a DM and I will definitely put you on that list, and you can come in and you can speak to our CEO and business strategist, and you can meet the guy. This is why we're having a bit of restructure. You guys are actually going to have what we're calling like a fundamental mentor, who will be sitting and monitoring you guys at all time. These guys have not had that, and you can see him on our YouTube. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Don't mention the YT word, right? You can see him on some of our other social channels. He is was an institutional trader for 20 plus years. Never had a year that he was down, and he's also taken on a lot of grads, and those grads have gone on to be highly profitable and, you know, institutional traders within their own rights. So fundamentally institutional traders. So yeah, not just looking at charts. Also, I should mention, with this fundamental trading, it's really great for your psychology, because what these guys essentially do is they'll read news off a screen, they'll do calculations. We provide you with all the relevant calculators and spreadsheets. If that calculation's right, you take a trade, and if it's not right, you don't take a trade. It's really as simple as that. Very tight stop losses, and hopefully catching some sizable moves. So Finley, what is the largest move you've caught on a earnings or financial rating? 1,500 quid on one move. And what size account was that though? Oh, so that was a demo 10k. Okay, cool. So you can see from only having a 10k account, he caught 1,500 quid. You know, and this, you know, obviously when you first start, it will be demo, moving up to a 5k account, maybe 2k, not sure, but you can get that into context. That, you know, there is definitely money to be made here. So you would obviously he would have obviously got 50% of that 1,500 quid as well. So don't really know much particulars about how that money is going to be given to you. Do you think we could give them, maybe we could give it to you in plastic pig shares? What do you think, Enzo?
Why not? Why not?
Piggy bank.
Yeah, you can put it in the piggy bank. That's a good one, Enzo.
Yeah, you like that?
I did like that. So we've still only got one position on the GU, which is the pound US dollar. So look at me using all the technical terms, Enzo. Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Enzo's very talkative today. It's always great to have such enthusiastic co-host.
Trying to get the entry on a DAX at the moment.
Okay. Oh, so he's looking to put another position in on the DAX. This could be another great trade.
Says German steelmakers are
Is that's a sell on the?
prices.
Okay.
That's Merck's commenting
Correct.
You have factored into the fact that the fundamental news on that, have you as well?
No.
Enzo, no. Okay, fair enough.
Germany backs the tariff plan to shield steel industries.
24,060.
But I'm guessing that if it would have made a sharp move around that fundamental news, and now it would probably be sort of is this a real or demo account? This is interesting. So are you talking about the one that Enzo's trading on now, or are you talking about the idea that we are pitching you guys about coming here and trading for us?
Announced that Trump is to
I mean, technically, this is a real account because it's being copied into it's being copied into a copy trading account, which other people can. So people want to know, is this a real account or a demo account?
We're using it as just a primary position size account that basically acts as a filter that trades into a number of sub accounts.
Okay, yeah.
So it's like a doorway into live.
Okay, so this account technically is a demo account, right?
Technically, we're not actually trading in this account, but we're
Yeah.
copying into live accounts.
But it is actually being copied into multiple live accounts,
Yeah.
and
So
then
it's like a
and those counts, the risk is being
calibrated, at different
calibrated and adjusted and stuff like that, because we have like multiple copier accounts. It's all very technical. So yeah, this count is a demo, but obviously Enzo, if he was trading a demo or he's trading a live account, I think he's been so long in the game now. He well, I mean, I suppose it is technically still a live account because you're actually handling other people's funds, aren't
It's
you?
live, but we're just using it as an execution account
Yeah,
into the live.
but what I'm saying, the psychology is that it is a live account because you are actually handling other people's funds, right?
Course, yeah.
Yeah, so other people are putting their trust in you,
Yeah.
to do that. So I hope that's answered that question. United Gurus, not sure if that's your name, but yeah. So do we have any traders here? If we do, let me know in the comments, because it'd be interesting to get your guys' views on how this trading week has been, and especially how last week was, because most people say last week was quite shocking for trading. I'm wondering if everyone else has definitely experienced the same thing. I see the VIP gold signal there. I mean, I'm guessing last week was a bit of a nightmare for you regarding the gold. How did you get on last week trading gold? I heard it was from a few other gold traders that they had a bit of trouble last week with that. So very weird situation now. The whole gold's in bit of a consolidation, and now obviously with the dollar strengthening, it's now maybe looking that it's going to turn bearish, but I'm not the best analyst on gold, so I wouldn't want to give anyone my opinion on where it's going to end up. But if any of you guys have any predictions, then feel free to.
I got a prediction.
Okay.
It might go up, or
It might go down.
Okay. So someone says gold will flip down to 3,000. So United Gurus wants to know how much profit. So let's put some context on that to start with. We only trade this account for these hours that we're on this stream. So for the first, how long have we been doing it now? About 5 or 6 weeks?
In days, we've probably done about a month's worth of trading, 20 days of trading.
I don't think it's been that long, Enzo.
No, maybe not.
I don't think it has, because we do this twice a week.
Yeah, and we was only doing it once a week.
We was only doing it once a week for half the time. We've only, so to put it into context, we only do these 2-hour sessions. We take all the trades within the 2-hour sessions. Only about 3 or 4 weeks ago, we actually decided that if we are in a position, we'd let it run. But we used to actually close the positions regardless of whether they were up or down. But at the moment, I think we are... What are we? Can we actually show them? How do we do that?
We're
Overall.
2.5%.
2.5% up overall. So, and I feel like we could have been more, but I kind of talked to Enzo the other day, and he missed 2 trades that actually went to take profit, which was one was oil and one was what was the other one? I'm going to do it again, and so yeah, it could have been a bit better up, a bit better, but 2% anyway. I would say we've been doing it. I think we've been doing it for I would say about 5 or 6 weeks now. So that's I would say about 5 or 6. I would say about 8 or 9 trading sessions.
Like in terms of full days.
Yeah, but we're not even trading in the open as well. This is before the open as well, isn't it? So I mean, it's not very. This is probably the least volatile time of the markets as well, right?
I would say no. I would say it's probably some of the most volatile times even now, because you get the US, even though the stock market's not open yet. You get the US and you get the London and coming together.
Okay, fair enough. Oh yeah, the crossover kind of thing.
Yeah.
Do you guys hold trades long term? So what we decided to do like a few weeks ago is if we enter a trade into this, if we enter a trade within these 2-hour window and it hasn't either taken profit or hit stop, then we'll leave it. And I think the longest time we actually held a trade was 6 days, wasn't it? And that was gold, wasn't it?
Gold.
And it eventually took profit.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it took profit at took 1 o'clock in the morning.
Kind of around midnight.
Because you were saying that if you were actually by the charts, you might have moved the stop and added to it.
Yeah, I probably would have taken it away.
Yeah, so it's not the stop. Sorry, the take profit, and we do trade gold. It's just that Enzo has strict rules on his trading, and he only looks for certain things, so we don't exclusively trade gold. I think we've only ever taken like 2 gold trades, right? One was a win and one was a loss, right?
I think by all our, I think 3. We've taken 3.
3 gold trades.
Oh, you already forgot the double top.
Oh, we took the best gold trade. This is my favourite gold trade in the world. So we took a gold trade, and some guy come on here and going, "Why are you selling gold? Why are you selling gold? It's obviously a bull market. You're gonna lose." And we just watched it basically fall down to take profit. So I know I shouldn't gloat on that because
I think everyone wants to predict, don't they? But really, we should just be. I think. Well, it depends. If you're a high conviction fundamental trader, but when you're just doing trades day to day, you're making probability based assessments, and it's no point trying to get your ego involved and think you know the future.
Yep,
and
there's always one. Yeah. So United Guru said he lost 10k last week on a trade, gold trade. I made that 10k from 3k deposit in 2 days and then lost it all. Yeah, you know, there is you know, the general consensus last week for gold, it was absolutely mental. So
Also,
probably would have been best to just step away for a week.
yeah, you don't want to lose all that. You don't want to put all your account, do you, on one trade?
Well, I don't. Yeah, I'm not sure that if he. I'm not sure if he done it on one trade. So. What Guru said you had? Did you have discipline? Probably not. Did you risk what you could afford? Definitely. Oh, that's somebody else asking him. Okay. Well, Cal, we've got a little bit of a conversation going on here. That's cool. Yeah, I think it's a good point. Is if you are going to be a consistently profitable trader, then you know eventually you are going to have to work out a risk system. You know, you're going to have to work out a risk system, and you are going to have to be very strict and kind of realize. This is not the first time someone said Jeremy Clarkson.
We're in FTSE now as well.
I think this is the second time someone's thought you're Jeremy Clarkson.
I am. I'm just in disguise.
Okay, we love that comment. Yes, he is definitely Jeremy Clarkson. If you want to buy some of it, actually, I can't say that, can I? Because TikTok will say that I'm promoting things. So yeah, but he sells. He's currently selling bottles of you know, drink, should I say? So if you want oh, so I'm now Richard Hammond. Well, maybe I need to be a bit shorter. So if I come down here, there you go. There you go. There we go. There's the whole Richard Hammond and Jeremy Clarkson thing going on. Yeah. So okay. So yeah. Regarding risk management, create a risk management scheme. So create maybe a fixed take profit. A fixed stop loss. And you know, always stick to that. Never move your stop loss. Do you trade NASDAQ and S&P? Yes, we do. We've put some positions into those.
I was tempted to short the NASDAQ. It was. I tried to get on the DAX and it wasn't coming to my price, and I sort of shorted the FTSE instead. But I was generally bearish towards all the indices.
Okay, so
in terms of my setups, anyway.
So Enzo has got a. Do you mind me saying this? A very simple trading style.
No, you accept that.
Yeah, he's got a very simple trading style, so that allows him to scan. How many assets can you scan within an hour's time frame?
You mean within 60 minutes?
Yeah, or like just because you were saying the other day that you can scan.
If I can look at all my assets in all my time frames.
Right.
In about 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many assets would that be? How many? What's your list?
I'll show you. But there's 20.
20.
These ones.
Okay.
So we've got foreign exchange, with both majors and majors and cross pairs, and then we've got indices, and then we've got gold and oil.
Okay.
And that's it. So I can scan through these on the time frames I trade.
Yep.
15 minutes.
Yep. So
if I'm sharp, it might take me longer if my brain's not.
Yeah.
15 minutes.
So we're actually thinking about flipping the script a little bit. We're actually thinking about going into Enzo was saying about going into super scalping mode, where he's going to be looking at like 10-second charts. Was that right?
Yeah, I can't. I'd need assistance.
Yeah. We would. Yeah, we're going to need to get someone to. He's just going to read out some numbers, and someone can enter the trades for him. But that could be quite fun and quite dangerous. I think what we should probably, if we're going to do that, we should probably switch to a completely demo account and not have it copying into anything, just until we know that it's a good system, right?
Yeah. Well, I think we'd still risk manage it well, in the sense of we'd go lower, we'd risk less per trade.
Okay.
Yeah.
What would that do to the commissions though?
Well,
and
the only commissions we've got are spreads.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
although I accept we pay them, they're already factored into the stop loss. Usually,
okay.
You know, barring some slippage.
So whereabouts are you, United Gurus? So whereabouts are you? Because we could have something that's definitely relevant for you. Oh, in Nottinghamshire. Okay, well, unfortunately, the idea I was thinking is not going to be available for you, because we are actually at the moment giving away free desks. And we are going to teach people how to trade fundamentally, like these students behind us. You know, they've gone within 3 months to being profitable, but it's just trading news and trading analyst ratings and earnings reports and stuff like that. But they need to be on site all the time. But, you know, we do have other courses and stuff like that, so if you want to drop us a DM. I mean, I think the first step is to probably just join our Telegram group. That's for free. Yeah. That link will be in the bio. So yeah, just join our Telegram group. That's for free. Reach out to us as well, and I can put you on a call with someone who can discuss the options that we can support you with. So that's another thing that we can do that. I'm just checking some other platforms at the moment. No messages on there. It's always better on TikTok, right? So what application do I need to join? So you basically just DM us, and someone will reach out to you. Okay, I'll give you my number when you DM me. I probably won't read it out on here. And you can just come in, and you can when the interviews are going on, and you can chat to the guys then. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. You don't need any. You literally need zero trading knowledge, like absolutely zero. A lot of these guys come in literally knowing absolutely nothing. So the times normally these guys are here from 9 in the morning till about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. A lot of them have other jobs, so they also do other jobs, so they're not here every single day of the week, because obviously we do understand that, you know, people, even if you are kind of living with your parents and stuff, you still do have to earn money, and eventually, obviously, once you will once you are starting to make profit here, then you can filter over. So, you know, do you require any requirement? No, there's no requirement. The only requirement that we have is that you are motivated, passionate, and ready to learn, and have the right temperament. But obviously you don't know, and we don't know whether you're going to have the right temperament to start with. So let's just open this back up here. Okay, so Enzo is still scouring the charts with intent. He hasn't seemed to have found another position worth taking yet. But we are still in the FTSE trade, currently running a small amount of profit. Now the profit you see here is in pounds, not dollars, because Enzo is using a spread bet account, which is calculated in pounds. Our risk on every single trade will be £100, and our target for every single trade will be £300. So each trade will be a 1 to 3. But if we do see the option, we would add to trades, but we would never move our stop loss. Only if we add to a trade could we then move our stop loss and minimize our risk. So that is pretty much Enzo's risks management system, which he is very rigorous with. You know, many times we have seen positions go to 250, 260, reverse around, and then go all the way to the stop loss. But you know, that's fine because that is the trading system that Enzo has, and we have to respect that because that's how he's been trading for the last 10 years. So he's not going to change the way that he trades because he knows over time that will give him profit, which is how he works, and which is why it's good to have guys like that in our copy trading system, because what we are looking to do is go slow and steady, you know, and to be fair, you know, yeah, that's kind of where we're at. A lot of these copy trading businesses will shoot for the moon, and they'll be good whilst they're good, and then they will suddenly just blow up. We've seen it time and time again. So this business has been here for 8 years now. So yeah, 8 years strong. So we are just basically now moving. We're kind of entering a new phase of our journey, and that is we are trying to turn it from an education establishment into more of a prop house trading, which is why we are now offering you guys this new opportunity. So hopefully you guys will DM us and take us up on this opportunity, which will be absolutely free for you. All it will cost you is time, commitment, and probably a mild amount of hair loss. Callum, how much hair have you lost being here? Quite a lot of hair. So yep, Callum is down now down to 80% of his original hair. So you know. Okay, guys. So if you have any questions, please put them forward. We can also
we got stopped out of pound dollar.
Oh, we got stopped out.
Yeah, and we've just gone short Aussie dollar, Japanese yen.
Okay.
And we're still in FTSE.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah, so we actually got stopped out of the pound dollar.
Yeah. So.
And so we're on.
This is the.
Oh, hang on. Let me bring that up.
Put it up on the chart here to show the loss.
Okay. kiss in the poo. Yeah.
Losing to win. That's it.
Yeah. So that was our pound GU stop out today. But we still.
I must admit though, usually I do like to have a longer ride. That was quite. We were stopped out quite quick on that.
Well,
I don't mind getting stopped out, but I just I prefer to have a good journey first sometimes. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think maybe that was something to do with all the fundamental news today.
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
You know, because obviously the interest rate decision, the meeting, and the voting. So Enzo is not a fundamental trader; he's a pure technical trader. Someone wants to discuss with you, Enzo, about your strategy. So maybe you could give him a little bit of a brief on what your strategy is.
Yeah. So generally, my core. I have a number of setups that I trade, but my core kind of operating trading philosophy is I like to trade pullbacks.
So you're the pullback king.
Yeah, I like to generally see a market that's showing some signs of trending, and then I like to buy on the I suppose what we would call potential higher lows in uptrends and potential lower highs in downtrends.
Okay.
So for example, if you look at, can they see my chart?
They can see your chart.
So if you see,
you could zoom in to make it a little bit easier for them to see if you want.
Yeah, but I kind of want them to see the big picture because they might miss it. But if you, for example, if we look at Aussie yen here, if we look to the left, we can see that
to the left.
Aussie yen has been trending up quite strongly for a while on the 30-minute. And that green line you see is a 100 period simple moving average, which will sometimes act as a level of support to a trend. And then you get these pullbacks, which I'm going to show you here. See that? See that?
Oh, well done.
So no, I didn't
zoom in.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you get this generally when markets are trending, you will get these 30 to 45 degree upward trajectories.
Okay.
And then you'll get retracements around the 100 SMA level.
Okay.
And these are levels where I like to buy. Now I didn't buy this one, but then what we've had subsequently is we've had a higher low taken out and a move down. And then what I've done here is I've bought this pullback here.
Okay.
That's where we've gone along now. So it's the same structure, just on the opposite side. Can you see
Okay.
that?
Yep.
Obviously, the larger trend is still up, but then there's also the fact that there's markets have trends within trends.
Yep.
And yeah, that's my main, pretty much my. I mean, I do other things. I like to. Sometimes I trade support and resistance. Sometimes I trade breakouts, but generally
Yeah, you will find. Yeah, you will definitely find what you're saying, trends within trends, because if you go down the time frames,
different time frames, different trends.
Yeah, because to get to the main overall trend, it would still trend within that. So that's actually a strategy that I'm actually working on at the moment with myself. So just learning. I was originally going to be doing like an intraday sort of like trading strategy thing, but I'm so busy here now that I've actually had to flip it to a swing trading style thing.
That could be good.
But originally, remember, I wasn't into swing trading because I didn't think I had the right psychology. But I think now being here on the trading floor has changed my perception about all that. And
talk to us. What do you mean, Russell? Take us through what's happened.
Well, I mean, just seeing a lot of people here managing to do it, and then obviously with the soybean thing, I've been now holding a soybean trade for 3 weeks. I haven't actually checked in on it today. See, look, I am getting better. See, I thought I wouldn't be able to swing trade because I'd be checking in on it every 10 minutes. But I'm actually going to go and check on it here now. So, who wants to see me soybeans? Who wants to see my beans? I'm not sure you can get your beans out live on TikTok, but probably gonna get a ban in a minute. Right, so let me just open the app. Here we go. Oh, it's dropped down a bit. Look at that. It was at. So here is my soybean trade. So, oh god, you can't really see it that well. Yeah, so at the moment in 3 weeks it's up 35%. It was up 40% yesterday, and now it's dropped 5%. But that's fine. The overall trade idea is it's going to be going up to quite a bit. Risk 250. Now 121 up. I'm not sure if I can show you the chart, just because simply it's not. Oh, I can kind of show you the chart. So this is it's not the best. These are the places that I added to it. All those lines there. Sorry, I can't show you a better thing. It's just the way that this phone is set up. It's set up for the position screen, not really for this. But yeah, so that's my soybean baby at the moment, so to speak. So
following a Ukrainian drone attack, according to 3 Reuters.
Cool. So there you go. That's me banging on about soybeans again. What was the previous stock you were looking at? AUD to what? That's yen. AUDJPY. Yeah, so that's what that one was. We are currently in a trade on that. You can see our positions at the moment. So yeah, so we're on Aussie yen, yeah.
Aussie yen, yeah.
God, you're obsessed with the Aussie yen.
Am I? Why, you
You
think I've done
picture
that one a lot?
all the time is with the Aussie yen, and then a footsie position as well.
I was looking at our data actually. Where is it? I sent it to Avid.
Okay.
Here.
Right.
And have we been trading? Look, here's all our trades. Have we been trading Aussie yen a lot? When you look at that.
Maybe it's not the yen. Maybe it's just the.
Yeah. Have you seen this, Russell? These are all our trades. Look.
Okay, let's have a look. Where's the symbols? Oh yeah, I see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, Aussie dollar there. Oh no, that's New Zealand. Close enough. I wouldn't say that to
We've got more
Australia.
data
though.
here. See a lot of R3s coming in. Yeah.
Okay, that's
So,
good.
Early days.
Early days indeed. Early days indeed. You're back. Aaron just had to finish a map off. Was that a match? Not quite sure what a map off is. Is that like a crazy dance that they're doing now on that game? God, I'm showing my age. Fortnite. Is that a special dance on Fortnite? What's your take profit on Aussie yen? I can probably show you that myself. Right, so here is the full position there. Oh no, why does it never show me the take profits? What's your? Okay, yeah. What is it? Read the number out.
98.
Hang on.
Read the number out. Hang on.
Yeah, because I'm going to type it.
This is probably more.
Okay, you may read the number out to me now, Enzo.
It's 98.647.
98647.
Yeah, and this is this one is likely to be more of a swing. Something we might, if it plays out in a profitable way, it will be a hold for maybe a.
Yeah, that was a sell position indeed.
We're still in FTSE as well, aren't we?
Still in the FTSE. FTSE is
there we
currently running £60 in profit.
This one could. This is only 5 minutes, so this one could play out quicker potentially.
What, the
FTSE.
the FTSE?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're coming closer. The New York Open is looming.
Yeah, it might create a bit of.
I did enjoy it when the New York Open was earlier for that week. It was just like there was just a lot quicker movements happening, you know. So maybe we can talk to them about changing their time all the time, right? Do you think they might do that for us, Enzo?
I think maybe if you give them a call, maybe have a chat with the CEO of the maybe of the NYSE and the
Chicago one as well.
The SEC, yeah.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to go and visit, wouldn't it? Where they ring the bell, and I think the LSE at St Paul's. I think it's very quiet in there. I think the American one's a bit more lively. They're probably not as lively as they used to be. You remember, like when it used to be the ticker tape days, you know, where people would actually have to be shouting at people to get positions on. I was reading yesterday about the 1987 crash. Okay. And that was actually the one. Let me move this here. If you're, I was comparing it to the 1929 crash, which triggered the Great Depression. Okay. But I think what a lot of people don't realise or know is that on that day, that was the biggest ever single day decline in the history of the stock exchange. So the Dow actually dropped 22% in one day. Nearly a quarter. Substantial. Yeah. It did recover a fair bit later, but I mean, so many people were wiped out that day. Whereas I think with the Great Depression, I think it wasn't anywhere near as much as that. I mean, there were some traders who made some big money that day as well. I think with the Great Depression, though, what I heard was
a lot of like just mere mortal people lost all their money, because you know everyone, it was like quite a new thing then, wasn't it? And everyone was just putting everything into it, because it was basically a money printing machine, and then suddenly it turned ugly, and you know that's why it caused so much. I actually went to watch a play about it in Victoria, in the I think it's the Vic there or something. Yeah. So it was themed around that era and around people that had lost loads of money. So yeah, it's quite exciting.
I think in the Great Depression, it went on to lose 90%. The stock market went down by 90%.
Really?
Yeah.
That's absolutely outrageous, isn't it? That is absolutely mental.
So it can happen, and I guess that's why it's nice to have stop losses in trading, because most of those long-term people, they had no protection really.
Well, yeah, I mean, thing is, when it's declining like that, I mean, stop losses could be pretty ineffective anyway, because everyone's selling, no one's buying, and you know you need that opposite traction to actually get rid of your position, right?
Maybe if this breaks the low, we'll add to this one.
Okay.
What do you think, Russell?
Let me have a quick looky. Yeah, I mean, we're quite way off it breaking a low. We added to a position yesterday, didn't we? And that didn't play out as well as we thought.
I didn't think anything.
No, I thought it didn't.
Oh yeah. Shall we look at it?
Yeah, I mean, we still took profit, but you know,
where was it?
it turned ugly on us.
This one.
Was it that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's zoom in here. So, right, the top line was our stop loss. The second line was our first entry. The third line down was our add-in, and then the so what's that fourth line?
Exit.
Okay. Oh, but because but you took. Sorry, did we? Oh, okay, yeah, because you ended the trade, didn't you? Yeah.
It's really the only conditions where I allow myself to exit early is when I've taken on more risk.
Yeah.
And that way you can balance being aggressive and defensive. I mean, I could have. It would. I would, if I'd allowed that to turn into a complete loss, I still wouldn't have been breaking my rules.
No.
I do have that freedom.
Okay.
But generally, I think
changed to 3.87%.
it's kind of best case scenario. We could be in a really larger winner, and worst case scenario, we still lock something in. You know, which is barely a 1-to-1, I think. But
No, that's fair enough.
a lot of traders are actually happy with 1-to-1s. I don't really.
I think it depends on your strike rate. I mean, if you've got a 90% strike rate, I mean, these guys behind me, you know,
They got 100%, didn't they?
you know, not 100%, but you know, fundamental traders do have a higher success rate. But that is just simply because of the fact that you know, that's simply because of the fact that they're taking 1-to-1s and stuff like that, you know. So
Awaiting UK
Obviously,
data.
the yen here starting to move a little.
3.7% for the 3-month output price expectations.
so I see our CEO is on the stream.
3.7% for the 3-month
Hello,
output price
CEO.
expectations.
How are you doing out there in Mexico? I hope you're eating lots of nachos. Do you have a group where we send signals? No, we have a Telegram group where we'll give you trade ideas, but we do not send signals. We do not believe in the whole signal sending thing. But you know, if you do want to invest in us, join that group, and we do have a copy trading channel that you can join, and you can invest in that. and you know these trades would be weighted on there as well.
People can set their own risk as well, so if you want to be more aggressive in the copy trader, you can.
Yep.
I just generally recommend no one goes above 2%. Anything above that, I think, is not wise.
Yeah, so for the copy trading, if you go to our Telegram group, and what you'll do is you'll see consistently people posting stuff to book a call with them, and then you can have a call with someone and they'll talk you through it, and they'll decide, you know, they'll ask you about what your risk profile is and all of that sort of jazz. I mean, I'm not really involved in that too heavily. I know it exists and I know a bit about how it works, but you're best off speaking to somebody who really knows it, and that would be either our head financial analyst here or our business strategy development person with a massively long title that I can't fit onto a stream, so I don't bother anymore. Yeah, so
do you want me to show the copy trading account on VSocial that we have?
yeah, so what we're going to do, yeah man, we're going to answer that in 1 second. We're just going to show this, and then I'm going to get Enzo to give you his thoughts on that.
So this is we've not been running it for that long, a couple of months now.
Okay, hence why it's so wavery. Because
yeah, it takes time for the equity curve to show after, you know, you need quite a lot of data, I think.
Yeah.
But we've currently got it's an amazing thing here. So we've got a win rate of less than 30%, but currently the account is actually up by a fair bit.
Yeah, I think it's also good. I think it's also important to point out when people looking at this that there were some teething troubles to start with, right? Because it seemed to like to only copy in the trades that were go. It was a bit of a joke with us at the time. If it copied into the copy trader, it means it was going to be a losing trade, right? But that's fixed now by the copy trading.
I think we've
because remember that gold one didn't copy over, and that was a really good trade, wasn't it? So, but yeah, that's all fixed now. Everything's being copied over now.
Hopefully, hopefully, yeah.
Have you noticed any instances of nothing being copied?
We did have an incidence last week where one trade didn't copy.
Okay.
The FTSE, the ones we did on Tuesday, I think they all did copy.
Okay, yeah. So we've been assured by the people that manage the infrastructure the other side that the problem has been fixed. So someone wants you to have a look at gold. And
I was actually looking at gold before, and I was looking.
Is Sinu here today?
I haven't seen him.
You haven't seen the Sinu?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I've currently already taken 3 trades today. With my system, if I was going to trade gold now,
right,
I would probably, based on it's very choppy, so it's not clean. But if I was, I would probably short this actually.
Okay.
If I was, but it's just very choppy.
And
there's good risk reward on the short with that, but that's just my method. So obviously, no one do what I'm saying if it doesn't fit with what your plan is.
And he wants to know what's the chances of it going back to 3990 to 3985.
Can't say. Don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. Not.
We
maybe
could
50%. Today, you mean, or? Yeah, it's kind of 3. Yeah. I mean, that's not far from where it is now. So I mean, you know, we're guessing, but you know, there's a probably at least a 50% chance it could go back to that level today.
Yeah. So are you you're in a buy on gold? I see you say there. MBSZ. That's no problem. Can ask Finley. You're in. So you're in at a buy at 3945. When did you? I haven't got the chart
back
in front
in 2
of me.
minutes, Russell. Is that right?
Yeah. So I haven't got the chart in front of me. No, it's not a bot that we're using. Enzo is a real boy, even though he is now disappeared, as you can see. There was an actual human being here, but now he is gone. This is not financial advice, but all your money on black. Okay, well, I think that's a great idea. Yep, we should all go to the casino and put all our money on black. Yep. And then we have a 49.9998% chance of winning. Opinion on Aussie US. Okay, well, I will have a look at that. I haven't. Let me just see. Let's pull this chart up here. Enzo normally does all of this, but he's left me in the lurch. So, well, I could close all his positions for leaving me, right? That would be a good idea, wouldn't it? Not quite sure how to use his. Here we go. So, what is it that you wanted? Was the New Zealand dollar. Oh man, I'm scared to touch anything in case I mess his system up. So I'll tell you what. I'll bring it up on my chart here. Actually, bring it up on my trading view here. If it wants to work for me today. So let's have a look. I'm not going to be able to show you it though. Right, 1 second. I don't have that instrument on my thingy. Right, so what sort of time frame do you trade? Are you a swing trader? Are you like a day trader? For the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. I mean, at the moment, it's coming up to a.
What are you looking at there, Russell?
Oh God!
Hello.
Where did you come from?
Teleported in.
We're looking at the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. So
the Aussie New Zealand.
God, I tell you what. Oh yeah, look, get it up here.
What was it? The Australian dollar.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
Okay, cool, great. Right, so
His iPad's quite warm.
I know. It's an absolute nightmare. And where's the time frame? Only Enzo knows how to use this. Options. Is that the time frame?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Right,
1 day. You're on a day chart.
Yeah, that's a day chart. Okay, cool. Right, so you can see on the day chart, it looks quite bullish at the moment, but we can't really look that far back. This is not the best chart to actually be looking on it. The thing is, Enzo, he doesn't look that far back because he's more of a recent time trader. But I think at the moment what you can't see is it's actually coming up to a daily level of support, daily level right now. So, you know, we could see it turn around, or we could see it sweep liquidity from that area and then turn around, or we could see a breakthrough. I'm not sure if there's any. Is there any news on the Australian on the Australian dollar or anything like that?
Player refreshing. Player refreshed.
I mean, over a long time, it's really, you know, it's really dropped over. If you look at
it has.
Chart,
it's going down by the minute on the minute chart.
I mean, on a weekly chart, it looks like it's in a massive consolidation. The Australian dollar, New Zealand.
We're short Australian dollar, aren't we?
Yeah.
No, we're going. This is Australian to New Zealand.
On the daily chart, it's just coming up to an area where it could turn around, and that area has had 2 touches
How many people
as far back as 2015. If we go to a 4-hour chart, it's looking pretty much the same. If I had to,
Are you on TradingView?
yeah, if I had to warrant a guess, I would say that it's looking fairly bullish. What would you say, Tom?
What the? I mean, right now it's
The Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar.
looking very bearish at the moment, judging by the 1 minute time frame,
Yeah.
as everyone can see on their screen.
Have you put it on your hourly time frame as well?
Oh, the hourly.
Yeah. I need to find a way of being able to switch between, you know,
Yeah, that's
these
quite...
charts and that. I mean, it's definitely looking bullish, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know.
Let's have a look at the.
So it kind of depends on. Yeah, it kind of depends on, you know, what time frame you're trading as well. If you're just like a day trader, then, you know, obviously if you're a swing trader, I would be holding I'll be holding a long position, you know. But if you are more of a day trader, then yeah, I think it's definitely good to be looking for a pullback, because
I don't know what
like
his
I
thing
said,
is.
it is actually
Oh, really?
yeah. So yeah, definitely. If you're on a day trader, it is in the area right now, where it could be looking like it's ready for a pullback. Maybe it would like to sweep some sort
You
of
just
liquidity
hear-
first.
You just hear Enzo just saying pullback in the back.
Right, you coming back in, Enzo?
Well, only if you want me.
Yeah, of course, man. Got a job to do
I
here.
just had to go to the toilet, that was all. But I know sometimes we have the mighty Tom as our in-house guest or analyst. Right?
That's okay. Whereabouts do you live? I would try and say your name, but that is that Nigel? Oh wow, I've just drunk my drink the wrong way, and probably going to choke live on the stream, which I'm sure I'll get a message for in a second, because I'm sure one of our viewers will be very delighted, and if you look through the comments, I'm guessing you won't have to guess too hard who that person would be. The tint of the orange in yesterday's sunset nudges me to say shorting the gold is the best idea. Okay, I mean, that is a bit of a different trading strategy, but you know, if it's being back tested and it works, you know,
What about the forward test?
then maybe there is an edge in that. I mean, to be fair, there could be an edge in anything, right? You know, we discussed this the other week, that, you know, even doing a random entry system, you know, if you've got the right risk to reward at the same time every day, just
Could work.
just take
Could
a
work.
trade,
Whether it could, I don't know. Yeah, could work.
you know. I mean, how easy would that be? Like, just don't bother trading, don't bother looking at charts, just once a day, find a time, put a sell in or a buy in, and then just hold it for either take profit or stop loss. I actually done some back testing on this, on oil.
Right.
Yeah, so, very interesting results. You know, there was actually a bit of a, well, Ryan went over it, and he was like, there's actually a bit of a, I mean, it wasn't a large enough data set, but he said there was actually an edge in this. Like, not being a huge edge, but there was actually an edge. And imagine that, if you could just find a certain time, yeah, don't have to worry about anything, just go and put one trade on, one way, that's it, walk away. You know, you could probably just even get an algo to do that for you, right?
I think in a lot of systems they do that, don't they? They have their very like mechanical, repeatable.
Yeah.
I mean that's what an algo is, isn't it?
Yeah, I
Kind of.
mean, yeah, it's definitely mechanical.
It's predefined, isn't it?
Yeah, it works on certain structures, whether it be volume or price action, you know, or levels, fib retracements or something like that. Yeah. We also doing a lot of algo development here at the office as well. So we do actually have a development team who are working on algos. They had a gold algo that was working really well up until last week, you know, and we just finished a news algo. So it'd just been finished and it was ready to go live just in time for the government shutdown.
Okay.
Which is great. I mean, it's pretty much a useless algo now.
Yeah.
Maybe the government will never open again. So maybe that algo will just go in the. We can just drag it over all to the recycling bin and press empty recycling bin, and then move on to another algo. What's the take profit on the Aussie dollar? Or was it the Aussie yen? Sorry. It was the Aussie yen, sorry.
We've had a break, haven't we, since we've been in that? I was wondering because I've done this on a 30-minute, which is usually a swing time frame.
What was the take profit on the Aussie yen?
It's there. It's 98.64.7.
98.64.7.
Yeah.
There we go.
But that's gonna. If that plays out, that will take. It's unlikely to close. Unlikely to hit target before tomorrow.
You don't think so?
Never. I don't know for sure,
Okay.
but I doubt it. It probably.
So we're gonna have to leave that one running.
Probably need to run. Yeah.
Let it run. Let it run.
Depends if it, if it goes straight for it, it could. There's always it could hit by today.
Okay.
I don't know. It depends on.
Nobody knows.
No, I don't know.
Somebody
When I
must
started
know.
trading, I always thought I knew. I used to say, I know this is going to do this and that. And now,
Pedro knows.
yeah, now.
If only he could actually, if only this pig could actually form real words, we would be rich.
Yeah.
You know, but
He'd be the only pig in the market that makes money because all
but
the rest get slaughtered.
all we get is this, and I can't. I don't speak that. I don't speak that.
I think he said. Palantir.
Palantir.
Palantir at the stop. What did he say? Short in video.
Short Nvidia.
Not now. He says not now.
Not now. Okay.
Wait.
Wait.
I'll let you know when it's time.
Okay. How would he do that? Because half the time he's just left in your bag, right?
You know what's funny as well? When I'm on the train, someone bumps into me and he goes, and they're like, what?
That's quite funny, yeah. So if you see Enzo on the street, feel free to squeeze his sack.
Someone jumps. The ball.
Squeeze your bag, eh? So what else are we looking at today, Enzo?
Well, I generally, in these sessions, I generally give myself a limit of 4 trades.
Okay.
I currently, with 1 stop out and 2 currently on, I feel the volume's about right for me for today.
Okay.
But I wouldn't generally do more than go to a max of 4 in the session.
And we've done 3 trades today, right?
3, yeah. The pound dollar, which was stopped out.
Are you seeing any more that could be?
I haven't done any.
Oh,
I did look at gold actually a bit.
our live is being flagged for harassment and bullying.
What?
I think we were rude to the big pig, weren't we?
What?
Apparently, we've been flagged for harassment and bullying. So
Maybe because you've been bullying me.
I think, unfortunately,
Sorry guys, I've been bullying people on stream.
yeah, I think we talked bad about the pig, and we've now been flagged for pig abuse.
Are you not allowed to mention pork on the stream?
No, we can mention pork, but it said we've been flagged for harassment and bullying.
Hey, we're kind of in the same position,
Wouldn't be
aren't
the
we?
first time.
No, I think it's no. I don't think they report us. I just think it's Huh? Ah, okay, fair enough.
I've shorted.
Who have we harassed and bullied?
We're going the same direction. Oh no, I'm going long. You're going short. Yeah, we're hedge.
Hold on.
I'm going long.
I'm betting on the yen weakening.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
Oh,
he's
yeah,
on a
definitely, yeah,
but
cool.
he's on a longer time frame, isn't
we're
he?
hedging.
Oh, we're hedged. Look at that for sophisticated. Yes, of course. That's exactly what I intended. Yes, I was just testing my.
So you've entered a short position on you've entered a long position on the.
I'm the dollar yen, but he's the Aussie yen.
It's not
okay.
completely hedged
Yeah.
because it could sometimes.
We've entered the same trade before.
Okay. What, the opposite way?
No, luckily it was the same. No, we have hedged before, haven't we?
I think what I did on that trade, because we was heavily in that direction.
You did when you.
Yeah, just drop us a DM and someone will reach out to you, okay?
that would've been the
If you
same.
want to
So,
learn
yeah.
from us.
You sold the Euro USD, didn't you? No, pound USD today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you trading at the moment? What's your story? Are you just starting to learn? Where are you learning from?
I was trading. It was a. Where is it? I was looking at a break and retest.
I saw it. I looked when you entered. Yeah.
Yeah. To catch an inflection, but it rallied.
So, my entry would have been around where you're stopping.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah.
Oh well.
Did you enjoy your lunch, Ryan?
Yeah, they do.
Got this
Great.
thing called you kiss the toad. Kiss the pig.
I'm not
See,
kissing it after
most
you.
of us men kiss the cat.
Ryan,
Sorry.
careful what you
Harass
say.
Ryan.
So gold has nearly hit 3995. Trading floor with a 20k account size. What's the point? Should we just pack up? Should we? Right, everyone pack up their stuff. There's no point to us being here. That's it. We're closing shop. You know, the guy on the stream has said, "What's the point?"
The thing is, we're quite new, you know, so that we don't. They're giving us.
Yeah, we've only been here 8 years.
They're
You know.
just giving us. We're just learning. You know, they told us if we can improve, then they'll add a few more zeros on it, and we'll be all right.
What is the point
Of what?
of only having a 20k account?
What's the point?
Yeah.
I think it depends on your objective, isn't it? What's your objective?
Why isn't it a £20 million account?
Yeah. Why don't we just ask the
Do you think anyone would come onto a live trading stream and trade 20 million? Have you ever seen that?
There are people I think who have traded, but even I know some big, like some very high stakes.
Oh, hang on, I've got to just do 1 second. Enzo, hold that thought. Imagine the pressure trading 20 million.
I think you want to train yourself so that you're not attached to any numbers. There's
Yeah,
numbers
just
on the screen. Yeah.
No, but the thing is, Enzo, it's a bit different when you're trading like that because you can't get filled, can you? Yeah. How are you going to enter a trade of that size? Yeah. This is why all these big institutes are having to kind of put like orders in, and they put like stop orders in, don't they?
Sometimes they can't get in and out in one trade, so they've got to.
No, that's why they do these iceberg orders, which you can see if you're using order flow.
Yeah.
But let's not talk about order flow too loudly, otherwise you know what's going to happen. The order flow man's going to come.
B-man.
The order flow man's going to come and he's going to tell us all off.
Yeah, I mean, there's a problem you've got is when you have to do massive size, you have to.
Right, so we've got a few thingies here. Right. Are you guys a whole group of friends, or is this just employees? Okay, right, Raf. So we are trading floor in Bromley South. I handle the social media. Enzo is a psychology trainer here. Yeah, you do trading psychology.
Yeah, I help with trading education.
Plus, he is a self-employed trader. So all these trades you see now will actually be copying into a copy trading account. Hence, it doesn't really matter the size, because this is actually a demo account. Because we just use this to copy into multiple other accounts. And I think 20k was just the size that was chosen because it's easier to
Yeah,
calculate.
just looked at 100 a trade on here, but there's different amounts going in different accounts.
Yeah. So these guys you see behind me, the students, they are our scholarship students. So at the moment, we're about to open this back up. If you live near to Bromley South and you want to learn to trade for free, we are giving desks away for free. All you need to do is DM us, and you can come and sit with these guys and a fundamental trader. And you know, these guys within 3 months have basically started to make profit, and now they're being filtered over onto live accounts. Yes, we have courses. We do financial diplomas. So at the moment we're doing a diploma level 5 in financial trading. From January we'll be doing a diploma level 7, which is actually a master's. It's the equivalent of a master's degree in financial trading. It actually counts as a master's degree. I was thinking I might do it because then maybe my parents will love me, because I've got a master's degree. What do you think, Enzo? Is that a good reason to do a master's degree?
Absolutely.
Okay. You're in Norfolk, okay. How's things down in Norfolk? Is the desk free? Yes, if you are coming to do our fundamental course. I wouldn't say it's a course, it's just a program. Like basically you come here, you sit on a desk, you're taught how to trade fundamentally, you're given all the tools, and then off you go. And obviously to start with you're on a demo account, but once you can prove yourself like these guys have, then you'll get moved over onto a real account. So you will, you know, trade company funds, and then yeah, and then you keep 50% of the profits that you trade. That's fair enough, isn't it?
Fair enough.
Fair enough. Some of them have made 10% in some weeks. Last week was a bad week. Finley was actually down 5%.
No.
Yeah,
Not the wizard.
I know. Our strongest trader was down 5% last week. Could
Losing?
you losing?
Trading?
I
Is that
know.
possible?
I know.
Surely not.
So he has to take that off of his overall. What is it? What are you up overall now, Finley? What are you up overall now, Finn?
Overall,
Yeah.
well, since I've been here,
Since you started the live.
I don't know if Bradford was trading as well, so I can't.
Oh god, because you lot are using the same account, so it's a bit hard to. Well, you're gonna have to do that, aren't you? Because you're gonna have to work out how much Brad's gonna have to pay you. So
Who the hell was bashing the table? Russell.
where can a master's degree provide from a flat full of mates in financial trading get you?
Oh god, I missed it.
I have no idea what you're saying. I mean, I'm guessing if you're being trolly, you should maybe
Being sat next to you.
make a little bit more sense.
Far.
Can you read, mate? I can actually, yeah. Where can a master's degree provided from a flat well, I mean, this is not a flat to start with, so
Apartments.
this is actually like an office. So don't really understand. I don't really understand the question. I mean, where can it get you? I mean, it could probably get you into like hedge funds. It could probably get you into a lot of other financial institutes that want that a bit of paper. So, you know, it is a actual degree. You can go and check it out on the VTCT website. It's an accredited body by the correct people. So I don't really know how to answer that. Like, you know, what answer is it that you want? Like, I just feel like it wasn't really a question that you wanted answered. It was just a statement that you wanted to put out there because, I don't know, maybe something's missing in your life. What do you think, Enzo?
I don't know.
How do I apply to become? Lisa, whereabouts are you from? Let's get that question answered first. Bath, okay, that's going to be a bit difficult because the what we're offering at the moment, you would have to be in office probably at least three to four times a week. So unfortunately, as lovely as Bath is, I've been there. It's a bit too far to travel down. So no, you can't do it on holidays. If you're coming, it's a full-time commitment. So, you know, these guys have literally been with us 3-4 months now. So that's every day, and that's kind of how long it's going to take for you to kind of really get a grips of fundamental trading. And we're hoping this government's going to be open soon because.
What's the projection with that? Has there been any updates?
Well, it's now an all-time record. I think it's at 30. It's over 31 days, 32 days, or something like that, and not quite sure what's going on. It's been 36 days so far, which is an all-time record. So Trump has beaten his previous record of when he was last in office. So well done for that, Mr. Trump. Getting people paid and everything. So it's 31 last time, yeah. So not sure if there's any reprieve. There's been sort of talks about reprieve. I mean, at the moment, the hot topic is them going to court about working out whether these tariffs that he's imposed are actually justified under the emergency order that he put them through on, and if it's upheld, if it's sort of reversed, that it's not actually just, they're talking about rebates.
No, Russell, sorry to interrupt, but I just realised
what
I had a trade on and there was no stop loss. No,
that's a cardinal sin.
I need to be.
You need to be reprimanded.
Yeah. Have you got a whip somewhere?
Yeah, I don't think you can say that. Like, we're already on our last. I don't think we can condone that sort of. Yeah, we've already been sort of like ousted for being rude to the pig. We bullied the pig earlier on. If you've just joined us, so I think Enzo, for bullying the pig, you should apologise to the pig.
Sorry, Pedro.
Sorry, Pedro. So that is us. TikTok. We apologise for our bullying of the plastic pig. We have apologised to said plastic pig, and I'm hoping now that all is okay with the TikTok universe. And if anyone does want to send us a TikTok universe, we'll take that as well. Could you imagine if someone done that one day? Just send. I think I'd just pack up and go home. That'd be it. Yeah, message Sinu. Or you can message Sinu. Or I think that there's links in there that you can just book a call with him as well. Sinu's basically our chief financial analyst. He does these streams on. Well, Enzo's saving his phone there. Well done, Enzo. Well done, Enzo. Yeah, Sinu does live trading with us on a Thursday. That's normally pretty cool, because obviously he is a chief analyst as well. So if you guys want to jump on for that one, he has certainly got a lot of stuff to talk about regarding the markets. You know, also look, we do streams all the time, so you know, there should actually be another stream going on now on a different channel, which obviously isn't happening because when does it ever work?
How many channels is it streaming to?
This one's a lot, yeah, a lot. But we do, so we have Jerry that does sort of like a webinar every Tuesday night. So yeah, so he does that as well, which is quite good. Just gives you like a weekly breakdown of everything happening. A lot of the stuff that he says comes into fruition. So he's got, you know, he's got a very good overview of the markets. Has anyone ever put a trade in and forgot a stop loss? No, no one's ever done that, have they?
I did it. I did it.
Enzo, our top risk management is now has thrown the towel in, and now he's trading without a stop loss.
I wanted to confess my mistakes.
You could have just let that go, mate.
Yeah,
you know, could have let that go.
I wanted to own it.
So Tom, how's things going? Okay. Tom has got entered a trade on the Dow. Is that a long or a short?
I'm not on the Dow.
Oh, on what? Sorry?
I'm on Uber's competitor Lyft.
Ah, he's entered a trade on Lyft, so a stock trade, and is that a buy or a sell?
No.
Yes, you're always welcome to come down the office, 100%, and you can speak to some of our traders here. That's our doors are always open to people that want to be nice to us. You can also, maybe, even if you don't want to be nice to us, maybe you could come down and troll us in person. Wouldn't that be cool? If we actually allowed them to come down and shout all those comments out in person.
Yeah.
You know? Maybe we could actually do an episode like that.
What's that? Where
We could get all the people that want to be horrible to us on the stream, and we can actually invite them down to actually do it in real life.
Yeah.
You know? And we could use it as like pressure testing, you know, like it'd be great for the psychology. Do traders trade without a stop loss? Okay, this is a very good question. Enzo, do you want to tackle this question?
Do traders trade without a stop loss? Yeah, a lot of traders do.
Fundamental traders do.
No, I mean there's a lot of traders that don't. Most people. From what we're seeing is most retail traders don't use stop losses.
That's mental, right? Like, what if like some fundamental news comes
Well, that's
out?
why most of them lose money. The majority of traders lose money.
Right, yeah. Is it 95% of traders are actually losing money?
Pretty much.
Just like you, look, you're losing £1.60.
Whoa.
Look, see that? Oh no, sorry, it's actually, so look, we're actually winning. We're not losing.
The question, I suppose, some experienced traders they don't have fixed stop losses, but they have mental levels.
Yes.
So they trust themselves to know when to cut a position. Obviously, if you can't watch something and you know there's going to be a lot of volatility, you should have something in. The only other place really where you could say you don't need one is if you're managing your risk through size. So if you're not using a lot of leverage and the market going against you by a lot isn't really going to make a difference to your portfolio in any major way, then some traders trade with very small size, so they don't also need to use stop losses.
Someone disagrees with your fact that most retail traders do not use stop losses. What would you say to that disagreement there?
Yeah, I mean, I could be wrong. It's just I was looking at some surveys that were done on.
Like so, yeah, go on.
Some surveys that were done on brokers.
Okay.
And the brokers were saying that.
Oh, so these are actual numbers.
I don't know about objective stats, but
Okay.
there's a trader that I know of who has a relationship with a lot of.
Oh,
brokers.
Tom Hugoff.
No, different trader.
Okay, right.
He talks to a lot of brokers.
Okay.
And they all say that a lot of traders don't. Maybe it might not be the majority.
Okay.
But definitely a lot of retail traders do not use stop losses.
That's absolutely berserk, isn't it?
Or if they have them, they take them. If they have them, they move them. So
then what's the point of having them?
Yeah. So
well, there is still a point of having them. Yeah.
It's where the market's come down to here, and my analysis shows me it's definitely going back up. So why would I be stupid and take the loss? What I'll do
Add
is
to
I'll
your
move
losses.
it down and maybe add to it.
Yeah, add to your losses.
And
this is why this probably 95%. The stats are 95% of retail traders losing money, right?
no stops. The other big one is taking profits too quickly.
Yes. Because they don't have a system. They just see those figures and then that's it. They just, as far as they're concerned, that's money, you know?
Yeah. The impulse to want to take money too quickly and not let your positions mature. So losses are generally big, profits are generally small. Doesn't sound like a good business to me.
Doesn't
Not
sound
in the
like
long
a
term.
sustainable business.
Nah. Oh, the other thing is they win. The losers win a lot. They win 65% of their trades, but they still lose money.
Okay.
So these are all the stats that we. There's a study. If you check a study, it's done by FXCM,
Okay.
which are a major forex broker. 25,000 traders who executed millions of trades.
Okay.
And all the stats are there for that. What I've just said.
Oh, okay.
It's an actual official study.
So
They
this
won most of the time.
this Presti something UK is saying that you should always know where your stop loss placement is even before entering a trade.
Yeah, I agree. I'm in agreement with that. I mean, having said that, I get that there are some traders who are a lot more dynamic.
Okay.
So I never want to say everyone should do it. Like, say, I mean, you know me now. You see.
Yeah,
how I
yeah.
trade.
Yours a fixed stop. Yeah.
But I'm not saying there aren't other styles that. So this isn't the only way to do it.
Well, a lot of fundamental trade. I mean, watching stuff on other channels, which I can't mention here, in prop houses where they're solely trading fundamental news, they don't actually have stop losses. They'll add to a position. So this is how they work, right? They'll enter a position on financial news or whatever, and they will keep adding to the position, and then when it starts to turn, they'll start taking away from the position. So they don't actually have a stop loss. What they have is they have a management system that even if it turns ugly, there'll be so little amount that's actually still in that trade that they can just exit, and it's kind of minimal. So they work on, like, you know, market rotations, but they're working on very small time frames. Like, they're working like by the second. You know, they're not like, I mean, obviously they can hold for longer, but they are working like literally, you know, by the second. News out, in, it's coming up. Is it, you know, it's coming up, add. There's a rotation, take away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it like scalping almost? It sounds like. Is it that quick?
It's probably a level up from scalping. It's like fundamental news trading, isn't it? Like, you know, and then as the rotation comes again, then they will, So did any students make a big loss? You can answer that because you deal with a lot of students.
Most, you know, the truth is most people can't do this, unfortunately.
The students you've seen, have any made big losses?
Well, a lot, but obviously it's contained because a lot of them are doing simulated challenges.
Yeah. So when you're a student with us and you come and learn this the level 5 diploma, or it's going to be soon. We're going to be offering the level 7 diploma. After you do that, you actually you enter like a challenge-based sort of like trading platform, which is basically our prop firm. So you're not actually losing any money; it's all simulated money. So and what we do is we get them to trade on there, and then I think if they pass 2 accounts, 10% up, not losing 5%, then we would actually offer them employment.
Yes.
You know, and we've actually got a few traders on, you know, here with us now who've stayed on the floor. I mean, a lot of them have flown the nest, so to speak. You know, a lot of them also have doing this from other countries and, you know, other areas, because, you know, you don't have to be stuck to the office. But, you know, we've built like a little team now of these people that have actually stayed with us, and they're also helping us kind of do other bits and pieces as well, and they're actually helping with the education and stuff like that as well. So yeah, how did that trade go, Tom? Okay, well, that's good news. Would you like to speak to these people?
This is another thing which I would challenge, like, if I can, because we judge trades by whether they won or lost.
Yeah.
Whereas
I'm still up for the week though.
we should, my view, you should judge a trade as
Tom.
good.
Okay, carry on. Yeah, carry on.
You should. This is a psychological. This is a mindset thing.
Yeah.
You should judge a trade as.
No, come sit here. Yeah, judge a trade. Carry on, Enzo. I'm listening. I just need to pop off for a sec.
Alright, cool.
Tell Tom.
Don't pop off completely. And what I'm talking about, Tom, is the language we use with respect to our trading.
Yep.
My view, that we need to reframe winning, losing, right, wrong, good, bad, into a different way of speaking that says, look, you've got a plan, I've got a plan.
Yes.
We conduct ourselves in an arena where we don't know everything, so we take probability based decisions.
Yep.
And if we've got a good plan, or we've got good strategic insight, a good plan, and we execute it, then even the percentage of those probability based decisions that ended up being losing trades can be viewed as good, can be viewed in a sense as a win.
I mean, I recently.
Do you get what I'm saying, Tom? What do you
A
think?
little bit. I mean, I wasn't paying much attention, but yeah, I get where you're coming from. So I recently just got stopped out of a trade.
Right.
Was Lyft, which is Uber's competitor.
That's the Uber competitor, isn't it?
It is Uber's one of Uber's direct competitors.
Really?
Yes. Unfortunately, I lost £55 on that, but overall, I'm still up for the week.
Yeah.
Maybe 0.4%.
Okay.
I'm still up, which for me is very good.
Yeah, well done.
Most weeks I am unfortunately down.
But
this week I am up.
Good. But then another thing I would say is, because of the small amount of samples you've done on any given week,
Yeah.
for all you know, you have a system that it's going to show its potential over, let's say, 100 trades or over a longer period.
Yes.
So the other thing as well, obviously time will tell, but the other thing as well is not to focus on such a short period of time to determine whether you are doing well or not.
Yeah. I mean, this week,
Making sense?
a little bit. This week I am still doing fairly well. Could have done better. I did, unfortunately, got too distracted that I was not in time for the market open. But hey, I was debating to join, so what I basically did was I just gambled, which is not what you're supposed to do when you're trading.
When you say gambled though, what do you mean? What happened?
I just put in a buy position.
Without any kind of plan or approach or...
Yeah, in a sense, yes. So that what I just did was a gamble trade, which is very frustrating. That's why I communicate with a lot of people on the floor what their opinions are. But yeah. Besides that, did any students make big losses?
Yeah, we've already done that question.
Oh really? Some of us have. some of us has suffered a loss. I think north of £500 because one of my fellow scholars decided to, because AMD reached a peak, he suggested we sell. We lost that trade. We all lost it. I'm not gonna name drop who it was, but we it was frustrating what he said.
Yeah.
But yeah. Alright, cool. But yeah. Is anyone in any trades? Are we still in trade? Yes,
We're still in FTSE and Aussie yen. I can have a look at them here. So this one is interesting as well. See FTSE going down again. This actually went to a 1-to-1, then came back to break even, and now it's down again. I think a lot of traders are very quick to move their stops to break even. I don't know what's going to happen with this trade, but if I had moved my stop to break even, I'd be out of it now.
So how long would you hold on to these positions for?
These ones I held either till target, or if I choose to add into them, then I can bring my stop up and lock something in. Worst case, in what we would call the worst case scenario on the position. But they could be, you could be in some of these. I mean, this Aussie yen one. My guess is that's moved a lot on a 30-minute within the time.
Both of them sell positions.
Correct.
Okay. Let's have a look who's on our strain. So we have quite a few people still. Oh, sorry. That's not the count to get through. Would you like your seat back?
Tom, did you get stopped and went back up?
What?
I said, did you get stopped out and
Yeah.
went back up?
Did it actually stop? Did it actually go back up?
Okay, guys, back again. Hello. Hope you've all enjoyed today's live trading stream. Just to recap, Enzo, why don't we go over the positions we took and what the situation was before we dearly depart?
So we've done 3 trades today.
Hang on.
We did a short on the pound against the dollar.
Okay.
Which was
Stopped out.
And we are currently in.
I can show that here anyway.
Oh,
Currently in 2 positions.
so we're currently short the Aussie yen.
Or the Aussie yen. Okay, let me bring that back. Let me bring that back. Okay, so that's the Aussie yen trade, which is currently running at £100 profit. And then what's the other one? A FTSE trade, which is there, and that is currently running at also about £100 profit.
So why don't we just take the money?
Take the
and
money!
then we can win the day.
Take the money!
Shall we take the money and
Take
win the
the
day?
money! Take the money!
Shall we take the money and win the day, Russell?
No.
Because it's all about making money every day, isn't it?
It's all about consistency.
Shall we take the money and win the day, Russell?
No,
No, we won't.
I think we should just wait for it to.
Right.
We should add to them.
Because we.
Can we add to any of them, or is it not time yet?
But then we're gonna have to go, aren't we? I could do it on my own. Maybe.
That doesn't look like it's ad worthy, does
Isn't
it?
No?
No. Hang on. Let's have a look. So the FTSE, to me, I don't think that's worthy of adding to.
No.
Not unless it breaks that low. And what about the other one? Let's have a look at the other one. Nah.
But why don't we just, Russell? If we take all the money now, then we won the day, and we want to win the day, don't we? Because
I don't think. No.
No?
I think it's.
then we can say we made money today.
I think
what it's all about.
it's about the long term.
Yes,
The long term.
we want to win the war,
Not the
every battle.
Yep.
The war, the war.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining us. Hope you've all had a great time, as great as us and as great as Pedro here. Oh no, actually Pedro's had a bad time because we was actually rude to him, weren't we? Which TikTok has told us off about. So yeah, so guys, let me get this screen up. Oh look, there's your little name, Enzo. Look at that, Enzo. So guys, just remember we have a Telegram group, free Telegram group for you to join. Link is in the bio or the description of whatever medium you are watching on. Feel free to join that. That will give you information about our copy trading platform, about trade ideas, about psychology, and also about this new offer where we're going to be allowing a few of you to come in and have a free desk and to be able to trade with us on a fundamental style trading platform, and also have access to a trading floor with lots of traders here who will be quite happy to help you along your journey. So thank you for thanking us. That's very, very nice of you. Once again, guys, if you want to get involved in our free desk giveaway, then send us a self-addressed envelope and we will post the desk to you. No, just DM us and we'll put you on the list for the candidate interviews. Yeah, that's that. This is the last time you will be seeing this angle.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Probably stay longer.
This angle here will now be moved to over there to
When?
make. I'm going to be doing it either tomorrow or yeah. So you'll be having a different angle from next week. It's all very exciting stuff. It's also by the front door, so we can together welcome people into. So it will be a live trading stream come concierge service, you know,
something to add to what we need to do, right?
Yep, because obviously, you know, you haven't got enough things to do, Enzo, just live trading. You can also welcome people in and show them to their desks.
Shall we take the money and win the day?
No, we're not taking the money, Enzo. Right, guys, thank you very much. Remember, trade safe, always use a stop loss. Unless you're Enzo, who forgot to put a stop loss in today, didn't you, Enzo?
I did. It was a big mistake. But
big mistake.
I saw I hadn't done it, and I rectified the problem.
And you owned your problem.
Totally.
You were open and honest about it. Mistakes happen, and aren't we lucky that some bit of news didn't come out and absolutely destroy the whole account? Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's what could have happened.
Yeah.
That's what could have happened, Sonny Jim.
Could have happened.
Could have happened.
Not acceptable.
It's not acceptable by any measure.
No.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much, guys, for this week. See you on Monday. 10 meters over that. Well, 5 meters over that way, and with a lot worse of view. So be very, very grateful that you've got to see this view for the last time. Thank you very much, and good night.
You know,
don't talk, because for some reason this hasn't ended on here.
I wasn't going to say anything wrong. Was he? Yeah, it's overtaken.